Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn degree of comparison. That is the part of adjective. Degree of comparison. Degree of comparison tells us a particular quality existing in the nouns or pronouns which are being compared. That means degree of comparison tells us a particular quality in a noun or pronoun which we are being compared. For example, Ram is as good as Mohan. Here, Ram is as good as Mohan. That means Ram is good as same Mohan is good. Neither Ram is better or Mohan is better. Both are same. Or Ram is better than Mohan. That means quality of goodness of Ram is better than Mohan. There are three types of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. First of all, we will discuss about positive degree. Positive degree, when no comparison is made, it is said to be in positive degree. When there is no comparison, it is said to be in positive degree. For example, Ram is as good as Mohan. In this sentence, there is no comparison between Ram and Mohan. The particular quality, good, is same in both Ram and Mohan. Look at another example. Seema is as wise as Reema. That means Seema and Reema are wise in the same way. Neither Seema is wiser than Reema, nor Reema is wiser than Seema. Look at another example. Ram is as good as Mohan. Now, second one is comparative degree. When we compare two persons or things, that means to compare two persons or things possessing the same quality, to show the compare between two persons or things possessing the same quality, bearing, carrying the same quality, it is generally followed by than. THAN, than. For example, Seema is wiser than Reema. Seema is wiser than Reema. Here, wiser is in comparative degree and followed by than. Kiwi is more beautiful bird than crow. Here, more beautiful is comparative degree followed by than. And now, superlative degree. Now, the third one is superlative degree. To show a comparison among more than two persons or things possessing the same quality. I repeat once again. To show the comparison between more than two persons or things possessing the same quality, it is preceded by the. It is preceded by the. For example, Seema is wisest of all the girls. सभी लड़कियों में सीमा सबसे ज्यादा बुद्धिमान है. Here we compare Seema with all the girls. Look at another example. Rinki is thinnest of the three girls. Here we compare Rinki with three girls. Means the superlative degree of comparison. To show a comparison among more than two persons or things possessing the same quality, and it is usually preceded by the. We will see the rules of forming comparative and superlative degree from positive degree. How can we make either comparative degree or superlative degree from a positive degree? The comparative and superlative degree of most of adjectives are made adding suffix er and est. Most of the comparative and superlative degree of adjective are made adding er or est, like positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Here, strong in positive degree, stronger comparative degree and strongest superlative degree. Like close, closer, closest. Good, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Old, older, oldest. Look at another example. Rich, richer, richest. There are some more rules to make comparative degree and superlative degree from adjectives. We will discuss those rules in our next class. Thank you.